Hello, everyone. It is Thursday, September 30th. And just want to remind you guys your next exam is not this coming Sunday, but the following one, which is October 10th. Next week, you will not have a lab to allow you to get ready for that exam and also to help me catch up grading your labs, which I am delinquent in not getting them all graded yet. And I will not post another lab until I get them all graded. So I hope to have those all graded by the end of this weekend. As far as neurotransmitters go, I've been talking to some students in office hours, which not a lot of people come to office hours. It'd be great if you came, but that the material is getting quite challenging. And that's really just the nature of the beast here with physiology as we're getting into body systems and learning about neurotransmitters and hormones. So, to be clear, there's been some confusion, and there always is confusion between an amino acid hormone versus an amine based hormone. An amino acid hormone is a hormone that is nothing but an amino acid, like glutamate. Glutamate is an amino acid and by itself can function as a neurotransmitter. Whereas if we look at the amino acid tyrosine, tyrosine by itself does not function as a neurotransmitter. But if it is modified, things are added to it like carbohydrates or fats or what have you. And to be honest with you, full disclosure, I don't know the entire biochemistry of epinephrine or dopamine or norepinephrine and dopamine. But those are neurotransmitters based off the amino acid tyrosine, but it is not exclusively tyrosine. And then another thing I want you to focus on are the negative feedback loops. There is a classic negative feedback loop, which is the result of the homeostatic variable coming back into acceptable range that shuts off the body's response. But the endocrine feedback loop are elevated levels of the most downstream hormone, and it theoretically does not need to be the most downstream, but it is mostly the most downstream hormone. It is elevated levels of that hormone that cut off the pathway. So please think about those, come to office hours, and that's about it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon.